Hello everybody, today is Friday, December 30th. It's the last trading day of 2016. It's 4:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The regular session for the futures markets closed 41 minutes ago. What we're seeing here in the time and sales is some settlement trades before the final close of Globex for the weekend. You can see my computer clock here and the time. So this will be the last video of the year. It was a pretty good day for the auto trader. Before we begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, a pretty decent day for the auto trader. First up is the DAX on the Super Inco 6 tick. This hit its goal of 2,000 and had a tick of slippage on the very end here. So solid performance here on the DAX hitting its goal. Next up is the E-mini S&P on the Super Inco 8 tick. This had two short trades doing 1075 for the day. This is really good in the E-mini S&P. That's like 20 points or 80 ticks. And we could have done better on the exit of the second contract here, but it's a challenge creating your trail stops and deciding how much room to give it on the retracement. Okay, next up is the Dow, which did 985. This one is trading three contracts. This is pretty good for the Dow. It usually doesn't do this much. It was a roller coaster ride in the gold. We started off strong with two winners and then got into some chop here and got whipsawed around the 11 o'clock hour, and then it came back with a really solid short trade here to finish at 600 for the day. So that's pretty good recovery. Next, we have the DAX on a 34-second line break chart. This caught a really nice short trade here and ended up with 412 for the day, so modest gain there for the DAX. Next up is the Crude on the Super Inco 6 tick. This did just shy of 400 for the day on a mixture of trades. Took a little heat off the open, but then recovered nicely with several winning trades to do 390 for the day. I had another 2 or 3, 4 charts that did around $200 profits for the day. I'm not going to show them. This is the last video of the year. It's been a great year for blue wave trading and the auto trader. It'll be interesting to see when we get to the first part of the year, after the first business day of January, we should have some volatility back in the markets as we have full participation from all the institutional traders should be back at work. So until then, I want to thank everyone for their support of Blue Wave Trading in 2016, and we'll see you after the holidays. We should have some good action in the auto trader. Thanks for watching today.